watch the videos on the YouTube channel, go through the introductory, like the intro playlist that you've made, educate yourself the best you can so that you are the best expert you can be. And not everybody can devour this stuff, but just do something to get the basics down. And then you're going to know real quick. And even if you go to an endocrinologist or an ex-urologist or whatever, that's fine to try. And then when they start going, okay, we're going to put you on 100 milligrams every 2 weeks and an aromatase inhibitor, you go, I'm not doing that. That's just what you say. You don't even go, oh, you don't bargain with them. You just go, no, we're not going to be a right fit. Now, unless you say, I want to do, 60 milligrams twice a week to start, no AI, no this. And they go, okay, that's fine. Well, then maybe you found somebody that's at least reasonable. Mm-hmm. But in general, you're not going to find reasonable people when it comes to hormone replacement in the traditional medical community. It's usually going to be people that have probably already left that system or never went that traditional route to begin with. Not everybody. I mean, you're going to find diamonds in the rough, but again, that's all just random and lucky. There's no great database to search for. Help me find an insurance-based provider that knows what they're talking about and doing with hormones. There's no good way to search for that. So you may just get lucky, but in general, you're going to be better off probably going with a cash pay type place. But even then, it's a minefield when it comes to, because a lot of the big box clinics don't give a crap either, and they're just pushing product. And they're pushing aromatase inhibitors. So this is where, again, educate yourself so that when you go and talk to these places, pretty quick whether they actually care about this topic or not.